Trapezoidal and Simpson's rules. Trapezoidal rule or trapezium rule is a technique for approximating the definite integral. So we have that one, integral of a to b f of x dx using trapezoidal rule equal to delta x over 2 times the quantity of x sub o plus 2 f x1 plus 2 f x2 then plus so forth until f xn. Whereas the Simpson's rule, a rule that is used to approximate the complex definite integrals. So the integral of a to b function of x dx equal to h over 3 quantity y sub o plus y sub n plus 4y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus yn minus 1. Of course, you have that one plus 2y2 plus y4 y6 up to yn minus 2. To evaluate 0 to 4 x cubed dx using trapezoidal rule, Simpson's rule, and of course integration formula. So you have the solution here, trapezoidal rule. You have that one, integral of a to b y dx equals to h times 1/2 y sub o plus y1 plus yn minus 1 plus 1/2 y sub n. Where your h b minus a over n equals to 4 minus 0 over 4 equals to 1. So you make a table here, you have that one x and y. So when x equals to 0, y equals to 0. When x equals to 1, y equals to 1. This one 2. When x equals to 2, this 1 becomes 8. So when x equals to 3, y becomes 27. Or when x equals to 4, so 1 becomes 64. So the integral of 0 to 4 x cubed dx equals to 1 times 1/2 times 0 plus 1 times plus 8 plus 27 plus 1/2 64, or approximately equals to 1 times 9 plus 27 plus 32, or estimated to be 68. Using Simpson's rule, you have this one, integral of a to b y dx approximately h over 3 times yo plus 4y1 plus 2y2 plus 4y3 plus minus y sub in. Your h equals to 4 minus 0 all over 4 equals to 1. So approximately equals to 1/3. 0 plus 4 times 1 plus 2 times 8 plus 4 times 27 plus 64, or estimated to be 1/3. 4 plus 6 plus 16 plus 108 plus 64 equals to approximately 64. So this is how the Simpson's rule. So by integration formula, you have that one power formula. So y equals to integral of x cubed dx 0 to 4 equals to x4 all over 4 0 to 4 equals to 4 times 4 to the power 4 4 to the power 4 all over 4 minus 0. So this one equivalent to 64. So that is how the integration formula works. So number 2, find the approximate value. Find the approximate value of 1 and integral of 2 to 8 cube root of 1 plus t squared using n equal to 4 by trapezoidal rule, by Simpson's rule. So by trapezoidal muna. So trapezoidal rule, solution. So that one, integral of, so you have that one, y equals to cube root 1 plus t squared, and your h equals to 8 minus 2 all over 4, so equals to 3 all over 2. So within, using n equals to 4, interval equals to 8 minus 2 over 4 equals to 6 over 4 equal to 1.5. So we have this one, 2 is, that one is starting, so 2 plus 1.5, of that one, 3.5. 3.5 plus 1.5 equals to 5.0. 5 plus 1.5, 6.5, or 6.5 plus 1.5 equals to 8. So these are the intervals. So by trapezoidal rule, you have that one, let V equals to trapezoidal. So it's times 1/2 y sub 0 plus y sub 1 plus y sub 2 plus 1/2 y sub n. So your t, so that's the table. You have t, have that on the value v or y. When t equal to 2, your y or v equal to 1.71. When this one is 3.5, 2.36. This one is 5.0, 2.96. One is 6.5, 3.51. This one is 8. This one is 4.0. So you have the table of values. So we have to substitute that one here. So V equals to 3 over 2 times 1/2 1.71 plus 2.36 plus 2.96 plus 3.51 plus 1/2 times 4. Or simplify that one, V equals to 17.53. Using Simpson's rule, your V equal to h over 3 times y sub o plus 4y1 plus 2y2 plus so forth y sub n equals to 3 times 2 all over 2 times 1.71 plus 4 times 2.36 plus 2 times 2.96 plus 4 times 3.51 plus 4. So simplifying this one, you will have a result of 17.52.